So who does not like to have a very healthy, shiny, voluminous hair without having to spend a heck ton on hair salons or hair spa and things like that? So today I have got you a very simple and easy DIY hair mask which will help you get this voluminous, shiny, healthy, luscious hair. And hey, you guys will agree with me on this, definitely. When our hair looks healthy, we feel complete and it ties our whole look together beautifully, right? And it is so simple and so easy. You guys are gonna be surprised today. Alright, so without further delay, let's move on to the DIY hair mask. And before you go there, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please follow me on Instagram as well, because there I do share with you quite a bit of hair masks and face masks and small tips and tricks. Alright, take care. On to the DIY hair mask, and after that stay tuned because I am going to talk about how those ingredients work on our hair. Alright, on to the DIY. So for this hair mask, you need very simple, ordinary 3 things which you generally have at home and in hand. Alright, so this is plain yogurt, this is some coconut oil. I really like this coconut oil, and 1 egg. It is as simple as that. And if you guys have really oily hair, then I would suggest to add in a few drops of lemon to this mixture. Okay, so first I do is take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. It depends on your hair length, okay? However long your hair is, depending on that you can add more or take less amount of it. So this is enough for my hair length. I have like medium length hair. To this I am going to add an egg, and then some coconut oil, and really less amount of coconut oil I need. I do not need as much as this. You can see it's like solid, but it will melt like in the mixture. So I will put about 2 teaspoons, not tablespoons. This is enough. And then you mix this mixture. This is how it looks like, all together. Like, I don't happen to have a whisk in hand, but if you have a whisk in hand, or you can even use your fingers to mix this in, so it becomes a really nice, thick, yellowish kind of semi-liquid texture. So this is how I like to apply it. Like, first I comb my hair, make sure there is no tangles in my hair whatsoever, and then I section my hair in 2 parts, and then you can start from behind or in front, doesn't matter. Then I take like small section of hair and a little bit of the mask and apply it from the root to the tip, and then continue for the rest of your hair. So one side of my hair is done, and I will finish the rest. I will wash my hair and then I'll show you guys how does it look like. Alright? So as you guys saw, here I have used very simple 3 ingredients which we can find in our kitchen, right? Easily. So when you mix these 3 products together, they become such a powerful concoction for your hair, and you apply it and leave it on for at least 30 minutes to an hour, and then shampoo it off, and then do not forget to add some sort of conditioner, because conditioner will seal the dead ends of your hair. It will add shine and your hair will feel so soft. So do not skip conditioner, guys. And I tend to use this mask at least once a week, and if I do not get time, maybe once in 2 weeks. And there is another thing which I use when I do not have time to mix in all these products, or maybe I do not have these in my hand. That is a very simple oil concoction. That is coconut oil and castor oil. You can switch up the coconut oil for any other oil of your choice, but I prefer to add coconut oil for my hair. It works brilliantly for me. So coconut oil and castor oil, the proportion that I use it in is 2:1. So 2 portions of coconut oil and 1 portion of castor oil. And there is another concoction of oil that I use, which is nigella seeds oil or black seed oil and avocado oil. And the proportion for this oil is 2 portions of avocado oil and 1 portion of this nigella seed oil. If you guys are suffering from hair fall and very dull, lifeless hair, this will work miraculously for you. And I would recommend to leave the oil in your hair at least an hour, and that's how it gets absorbed the most. And then you shampoo it off and voila, you get beautiful, shiny, healthy hair. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this and these tips have been useful for you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you all in my family. Until next time, bye.